Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a low-latency, gaming-optimized VPN. This reduces lag spikes and secures your traffic. Once signed up, download the client for your platform, PC, console via router or phone tether. Make sure to enable the kill switch option and set protocol to UDP or WireGuard for speed. While installing, close background downloads and streaming apps to avoid bandwidth contention. This ensures the VPN has headroom. Finally, if you plan router-level protection, log into your router now and keep credentials handy. You now connect and fine-tune settings for optimal Warzone play. First, pick a nearby server with low ping or the exact country needed for matchmaking. Closer is usually faster. Once connected, enable split tunneling so Warzone traffic uses the VPN while other apps use your normal route, reducing overhead. Test in-game ping and packet loss. If jitter is high, change protocol from OpenVPN to WireGuard or UDP. Make sure AutoConnect is set so the VPN starts before you launch Warzone. You launch Warzone only after the VPN reports a stable connection, then verify your IP and in-game latency to confirm routing. If you see NAT type or matchmaking problems, try switching to another nearby server, enable port forwarding, or move the VPN to your router to preserve console NAT. Once done, keep the kill switch and auto-reconnect enabled so you never leak traffic. If problems persist, collect VPN logs and reach out to support. They can identify routing or DNS issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.